I suppose the obvious question is, why have you decided to run for the council elections?
Yeah, after the incident last year on Pioneer Square and after the protest as well, I realized that my action was an instant action that was very meaningful for many, many people, not just for the Brazilian community, but for the immigrants as well. And, people were so kind of me, Irish people and all people from all the nationalities, that I think that responsibility is not thing I ask for, but I think it's on my shoulder now, and it's I want to give them back. And I think in politics, it's the best way is where we really have the power to really help people, and I want to carry on help people. But when I got to Rio, I went to Rio for spend Christmas time with my family because they are still there because my daughter is still doing university. She's gonna finish next year, so they are coming over. And there was some journalist put in the newspaper one way ticket to Rio de Janeiro. I wasn't comfortable with that, and I feel that I have to give back for all those people that expect me to be their voice. I think I own that for them. When I come back, I meet Isabel Oliveira. She's running for
She's
local.
a fellow Brazilian.
Yeah. She's running for local election as well. And she told me that Fianna Fáil is the first party that have an open talk about immigrant network. And then she introduced me to Mary Fitzpatrick, and I really like her. We become close friends, and she was asking me about politics in Brazil. How does it works? I said to her, in Brazil, it's very polarized now. People are not talk in the same family anymore. It's not good. And then
This is after Bolsonaro,
it's yeah. I think come before
even
Bolsonaro. Yeah,
before
yeah,
him.
even before, yeah. And I asked her to be more involved, and she introduced me some people from the Fianna Fáil party. And yeah, why not? And people may say I'm using the party. People may say the party are using me. But the truth is, we are working together. We have quite the same value, the same ideas. The party gives me the freedom to fight for what I believe. And I think in politics, you cannot do everything by yourself. You have to work with people. The most important thing is help people that most need, and that's the my goal.